Hello dear friends, today I will be making pendants with different designs. I've prepared the pieces. I have a pentagon, a circle, and hearts. If you have UV tape, you can use that. I'm using a silicone backing. I used one a long time ago, and still have some left over. The first layer is just resin without any decoration. Spread it evenly around the edges. The layer should be fairly thin, but without holes or bubbles. We put them in a lamp to dry for 60 to 80 seconds. After drying, we apply a thin layer of resin and begin adding decorations. I prepared mica. Since the pendants are very small, only a small amount of decoration is needed. I'll also add Visnaga flowers, or as they're also called, dentifrice, to the hearts. I'm adding 2 or 3 pieces of holographic mica to the 5 kilogram pendant. I'll also be adding dried flowers, and I'll make the round one with a nautical theme. I didn't mix the sand with the resin, so I'm adding it directly to the pendant. Next, I dilute the dye in the resin. It looks turquoise, but after drying it turns dark blue. These are the first dyes I used when I started working with resin. I'll also add white dye. It's usually dry, like a foam effect. No matter how much I try, I just can't get it to blow properly. Well, I'll also add some small pebbles. Since the pendants are very small, the pebbles are simply microscopic. I dry it for 60 to 80 seconds, and it's time to add dried flowers. My blanks are dry. Now I've prepared the nylon threads. I put a charm for pendants on the thread. I have one with a loop. Then I take a ring and clamp it. The first pendant is ready. I'll repeat the steps for the second and third pendants. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to support the channel. I would also be grateful for your support for the material and the dream. Link in the description. Bye everyone.